Alright, so the clues in the box describe the same number. Use them to answer item 21. The number is an even number. The number is less than 40. The number is a multiple of 7. Which of the following would be the number being described? So it's an even number. The number is less than 40. The number is a multiple of 7. Which of the following best describe that? What you guys think would be the answer for that?
B, sir.
B, 28. All right, very good. So guys, that's what I always say. They will test you on number theory, right? Not just mathematics where you have to calculate this, calculate. They will test your knowledge if you know what's an even number, an odd number, a prime number, all of those, right? Very good. So that would be 28. Very good. All right. This one says, examine the number 2197 on the calculator below. Use it to answer item 22. And then say which digit is the number as the largest value? Which digit in the number has the largest value? Or somebody use the chat. Okay. Betty Lopez.
Sir.
B, sir.
That
Yeah. Welcome, Katida. Yeah, that's correct, right? Because it should have been 2000. So it's not which number is the biggest, in value, It's basically in the number. So they're not looking at digit because 9 would be the largest digit, right? But in the number itself, so 2000, this is 2000, this is in the thousand space. So it would have been B. Examine the pattern below. Use it to answer item 23. So look at it carefully and then examine it, all right?
Excuse me, sir. Can I answer?
Sir, can I answer?
Okay. Yeah, but you can answer. Sorry, I'm actually.
Sir, my answer is C.
All right, which one you got? Which one you got and how you got it?
C, sir. Because every time the numerator goes up by 2, sir. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10.
Oh, so 6/4, right?
Yes, sir.
Do we agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because the 4 remain the same. See there? Same denominator, but these are 2, 4, so 6, 8, 10. Come on, these just have to observe, Good job. This one might take a little time. It says, examine the two towers labeled M and N and the information provided in the box below them. Use the towers and the information provided to answer item 24. And it said the first row of each tower is highlighted in blue. The first row, an operation is used on numbers next to each other to get the number directly above those numbers. The operation is also repeated in row 3 in each tower. They want you to figure out which one of those would be the correct response. Guys, I would want you WhatsApp me this one. I just want to see it. You just look at the operation. Oh, those who don't have a number, this is my number. Or if you're using the chat. Kalia, you have WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, you can WhatsApp me, please. I got from audio already.
Sir, I just send you my answer.
Guys, sorry for the delay, yeah. Alright, let's discuss this one. Kalia Price, you want to answer it? I see your hand up.
Yes, sir.
Alright, go ahead. Tell us what you got and how you got it.
Sir, for 24, what I did, sir, I noticed that at the bottom part, the bottom level is adding to the top level. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 and 3 is 7. So that's why I put 7. And 7 and 3 is 10. So the asterisk right there would be 7. For the next one, sir, I saw the same thing.
Mhm.
8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So my answer is 7 for the answer.
Yeah, I agree.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
sir, my phone is really buzzing, so I just wondered if you could mute me, please.
Phone not working?
No, sir, it's just when I'm tapping on the button to just, oh, no bother.
Oh, all right. So yeah, I agree that would have been 7, right? Everybody see that? We just add in the two numbers that are adjacent. 6 and the 1, 7, 1 and the 8, 9, 8 and the 3, and so on. 7 and the 9, 16, 9 and 11, 20, 16 and 20. So it just continue, right? And then over here, the same thing. 2 plus 4, 6, 3 and 7, 10. All right, good job, good job. So that would have been A. All right, I want you guys to send this one to me. This one is tricky, no man. So they want you to figure out which of these patterns. Examine the puzzle below. G represents a space where a piece was removed from the puzzle. Use this information to answer item 25. Which of the following could be the missing piece of puzzle located at G? So they wanted to figure out what would go there. You have to examine them carefully, guys. Examine them very carefully. I'm gonna small it up a bit and you guys look at it and then decide which is it, alright? Hope everybody relax. No need to panic about tomorrow. Just you guys are putting in the work, so just relax and do your thing. Oh guys, put the number beside it. Like what 25? Just put the number beside it so we know that that's the one we're doing. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons says the same answer. What I did, guys, I would actually draw it, right? Just have to have a look, a vivid something how it look. So based on this, it come out like this. And then I look which one look almost like it. So we don't know the side here, but we know so this comes so, and then we have an opening. We go down so, also have another opening. Then you go like this. So you just look which one actually match with it. We can fit into it, right? It couldn't be this because two of them push out, right? This one after because see it have this with open and this close. So this now have nothing to match with this. So it's between these two so far, right? Alright, for this one, just go inside, but it should actually push out, right? So yeah, it should have been D. Because what you want it to fit. Just like how these fit in it. That one was a bit tricky. Alright, let me zoom it up. It's a 4 athletes. Yeah, Kalia.
Sir, I was just saying for number 26.
Oh, 26. Alright, it's a for athletes compete, 4 athletes competing in their race. Their times are shown in the table below. Use it to answer item 26. So the name of the athletes: John, Adrian, Pete, Thomas, and the time is 24.80. Adrian ran 25.23. Pete ran 24.86 and Thomas ran 25.01. Which athlete had the second fastest time? Go ahead, Talia.
Sir, my answer would be Pete because, sir, for firstly, sir, to have the first fastest time is the one that has the least amount of time, sir. So John would have the first fastest time,
Yes, John one.
and then Pete, then Thomas, then Adrian.
Yeah. Yeah, they always come with these type of question, right? But we know that the fastest time or this would be the one with the smallest number. Because that person actually reach quicker than any other person. So that would have been Pete. So Pete came second. Alright, what I know. This one say which number is closest to 1,000? Sometimes I put some nice little easy question, you know. Joe and Neil. Alright, I'm just call it Graham. Go ahead, Graham.
Excuse me, sir. 999 would be the closest one to 1,000 because it's only missing one more point.
Yeah, I agree. Those aren't very nice, right? Them nice. So it should have been this one. Very good. Alright, it says read the information given in the box below. Use it to answer item 28. Jane has more pencils than Mark. The number of pencils Kevin has is less than the number of pencils Mark has. How many pencils could Jane, Mark, and Kevin have? Get it out, guys, and then we discuss.
So you go jack him down here and then you pick him up and come to him.
All right, who want to explain this one, guys? Anybody confident in their answer? Everyone do it, right? Everyone did it, right? He said Jane has more pencils than Mark. The number of pencils Kevin have is less than the number of pencils Mark has. All right, so nobody not figure out 28 as yet?
Sir, may I answer?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
My answer is A, sir.
A. All right, what you got, A?
So, since it states that Jane has more pencils than Mark, it should say that Jane would have more pencils than Mark. So that means A would be the correct option because Jane has 8 pencils and Mark has 6. It also states that the number of pencils Kevin has is less than the number of pencils Mark has. And it does say that Mark has 6 pencils and Kevin has 2.
Okay. All right, so Jane has more pencil than Mark. That means Jane automatically has the more because it's the most because they say Kevin has less than the number of pencils Mark. Yeah, I agree. Good job. All right, hold on. Let me small up this a bit. All right, everyone's supposed to be able to see it now. Which number statement is true about using the tiles to tile a floor? You will need to buy A, twice as many option 2 tiles as option 1 tile. B, the same number of options 1 and option 2 tiles. You will need to buy more of option 1 tile because they are bigger than option 2 tiles, or D, more of option 2 tile because they are smaller than option 1. Anybody in particular want to take it on? Alright, so that's about 20, so 29. So I got from Chatilla. What's the answer, guys? Anybody finish? And wish to explain it? It's easy, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
Sir, I picked D.
C as in cat?
No, sir, I picked D.
Oh, D as in dog.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I think this is 8 times 8 is 64. So this would have been 64 units square. While for this one, 4 times that, which is 48. So definitely you'd have to buy more of the small one. So more of
Sir,
option 2 because they are smaller than option 1. Yeah, man, go ahead.
sir, when my teacher was explaining something like this, she said, one of them came in the mentality exam and some persons were doing perimeter, but he said anything that has to do with tiles, it has to do with the surfaces area.
Yeah, this one is area. Mm-hmm. All right. It said examine jar with 20 sweets below. Use it to answer item 30. How many sweets will be in the jar when it is full? What would you guys choose for that one?
I have an answer, sir.
All right, go ahead.
So what I did, sir, was count the number of sweets currently in the jar, and it already states that it's 20. So, right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
So to me, it appeared that the jar was 1/3 full. So then I times 20 by 3 and got D as my answer, 60.
All right, do we agree, guys?
No, sir.
All right, Katila, what's your answer and why?
Sir, it wasn't Catilia, it was
Oh,
Ahelia.
Kalia. Yeah, Kalia. Yeah, what's your side?
Sir, my answer is C, 45.
Why 45 and not 60 as you stated?
Sir, it said it has 20 sweets, sir. So what I did is that I draw the line that has the amount of sweets there. I draw a line and I place 20, 20 sweets up there, and it's like approximately between 40, sir. So that's why my answer is 45. I'll see.
Yeah, I don't think it's 1/3. Look at it. This would be about halfway, right? Look at it. This would be about halfway, but it's some missing. So the little 5 could go right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then no, the other 20 would go up here. So that would make it to be 45. 60 is way more than 1/3. It's about a half, almost a half. So I agree with her. Alright. The number 525 on the number line below is halfway between 510 and x. Use the number line and this information to find the item 31. Which number could replace x on the number line?
Sorry, it's C.
Explain. Yeah, man, go ahead. Explain what you got there. You're gonna explain, right? Where you got it? How would you guys do it? How would you figure that out?
Sir, I think you should draw lines from 537 and to the x, and the closest answer that is in the answer set to what you have gotten would be the answer.
Okay. So them say the number 525 and the number line is halfway between 510 and x. You guys use that? Anybody use that?
Can you repeat, sir?
No, sir.
They said that the number 525, right? This is halfway.
Sir, I didn't do that.
Oh. Anybody else want to try? How do you approach that?
Sir, can I try?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, what I did was I subtracted 525 from 510 and I got 15 and it said so I just added 15 to 525 and I got 540. So my answer for one number could replace X and a number line would be B boy, which is 540.
All right. All right. This is what I want you guys to do for me as well. Could you add 510 and 540 and divide it by 2 and see if you get this? That's a way you could approach it, right? Try it. Hello? Try it, guys, and tell me what you.
Sir, sir, what did you say we should do? We should add 540 and 510.
Yeah. Because if that's and then divide it by 2. Because if this is the halfway mark, that means how would they get this to be half? It's the total length, right? If you add these two and divide by 2, you would get what's halfway. And so it's 540 though. But I was
Yes,
just
sir.
yeah. Because I was just
When I
giving you
added,
another.
sir, when I added, I got 1050. Then divided by 2, and I get 525.
Yeah. So I was just giving another way that you could have looked at it. Not saying that the way that you did it is not correct, Just another way where you could approach it. You understand, guys? So that's actually
Yes,
540.
sir.
And most
Sir,
persons
I got
hmm?
5.
Hmm? At five.
I add 540 and 510, and then the answer I got, I divided by 2 and I got 520.
Yeah, correct. Because that's halfway, right? This is halfway between the 2 points, so it has to be 540. A lot of persons might be tempted to choose these because they must say 537 and 540 is too close. You understand? Persons might be tempted to say that. That's why I say, you know what? Use the best possible method. All right. Examine the three scales with the information provided in the box below. Use them to answer item 32. The bananas weigh less than the mangoes. The bananas is more than weighs. No, come to me. The banana weigh less than the mangoes. The banana weigh more than the pineapple. So I think I have to small up this to let you guys see. Yeah. the options. Which of the following about the pineapple is true? So read it carefully and then go ahead and select. But I'm not sure who this is in. I'm not sure. First year ever takes me. Read it carefully, guys. Don't rush it. These can be tricky, these can be a little tricky. So you have to ensure that you read them correct and so on, alright? What's up? What you guys think would be the answer, alright?
Person went to
Alright, thanks so much.
Sir, I just sent my.
Alright.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead. Actually,
Is this the personal class?
what you mean? Zoom class we're having, right?
Like, is this a marathon?
Oh, yeah, just call it a mini marathon. I planned this one last minute because I didn't plan it, but parents said I should. A few parents said I should, and I said, you know what? Let me do it because I know students will benefit. So, yeah.
Just asking because I wanted to share it.
No, man, it's fine. It's fine. Other videos going on YouTube, so persons can watch that. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so just focus on being here. All right. Who want to answer this one? Atilia, you just came on. Did you get a chance to read it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead. You want to try?
No, sir. I was just asking, sir, if you're going to post this on YouTube because I would want to rewatch it.
Oh, yeah, okay, I can. I would have to do it immediately after. You guys
Okay.
finish. Yeah.
So I would like to try.
All right, go ahead.
Sir, so it said examine the three scales and the information provided in the box below. Use that to answer item 32. Says the pineapples weigh less than the mangoes, so therefore the mangoes will be on top. The
Let me
bananas
go on
weigh,
this, as you say. So mango on top. Okay.
yeah, the bananas weigh more than the pineapple, so that means the banana will be under the mango than the pineapple.
All right. Everybody agree with that? So the mango is the heaviest. Banana, pineapple, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So,
Which option?
so I would say D because the pineapples weigh less than the mangoes.
Okay. Everyone agree with that? She says D. 32 is D. Everyone agree? No one? All right. So they said the banana weigh less than the mango. That is true because see there, banana weigh less than mango here. The bananas weigh more than the pineapple. That means banana. Yeah. And the options are the pineapple weighs more than the mango. That is a lie. The pineapple weighs more than the bananas. That is also a lie. The pineapple and the mangoes weigh the same. They didn't say that, right? So that would have been D. Very good. All right. Examine the graph below and the information given in the box about the graph. Each bar in the graph represents one of four types of clothing: blouse, shirts, jeans, and shorts. Use this information provided in the graph and in the box to answer item 33 and 34. And let's see that little thing there in the box. It said jeans had the highest sales, fewer shirts were sold than shorts, more blouses were sold than shorts. So they want to say which type of clothing sold the least. Figure that out, guys, and then let us discuss it.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
I think it's short
Explain how you got short.
because it said that jeans had the highest sales, so that it would have been obvious that jeans is the highest one. Then
Right.
it's fewer shirts were sold than shorts. So, sir, and then the next one says more blouses were sold than shorts. So, since that they stated that now, I look at the diagram and then I said fewer shirts were sold than shorts. And then I read the next question and then it says this, more blouses are sold than shorts. So shorts would have been the least one because it's in the passages said that. So the shirts would have been um beside the jeans, and then the shirts. No, so what did I just say?
Yeah. No, man, start over. Let's start over.
I said that the jeans. I said that the shirts were beside the jeans, and the blouses were
So,
beside.
which one is the fewer? You say shorts, right? So, are you change it for me? All right. Do we agree, guys?
No, sir.
Why not? Let me know.
Sir, I don't agree.
Why? Why?
Sir,
What's your?
my answer is C, shirts, because it said jeans had the highest sales. So jeans would be the one that has 30. It says fewer shirts were sold than shorts. So the one that is fewer would be shirts. So shirts would be the one that's between 15. Is it between 15 and 20 or 10 and 15? Between 10 and 15. So shirts would be between
This is
10 and
shorts.
15. No, that that
Okay.
is short, and over shorts is shirts, and the one that has 25 will be blouse.
Alright, so I'm gonna see if this makes sense now. So that's his shirts and this is blouse. That's cool. Alright, based on that, it said jeans sold the highest. So we know that out, right? It said fewer shirts were sold. So fewer shirts than shorts, right? That makes sense because fewer is here. The last one say more blouses were sold than shirts. So it look like a C, you know. Look like a C because it said fewer shirts were sold than shorts. So shorts could not be the smallest one since fewer shirts were sold. Fewer mean less, right? So technically, yeah. How many blouses were sold? I think you called out the numbers a while ago. How many blouses were sold? Hello?
Sir, my answer would
I
be
don't see
B.
somebody waiting. I don't see her. And we are on. Yeah, I'm not seeing her at all. Alright, you said how many blouses were sold? How many guys? How many you got?
25.
25. Alright, we'll go back up to it just to make sure. 25, 25. Blows. Yeah, exactly 25. Oh, you notice what happened, guys? If you had gotten that one wrong, say for example, you didn't choose this as the blows, you'd have ended up losing another mark, you know? My. So 25. Alright, the graph below shows the total points earned by 4 teams at the end of each round in a competition. Use it to answer item 35 to 37. Total points earned for the 4 teams. So there is round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. Which team scored the most points in round 1?
Team 2.
Team 2. Team 2 over yellow. Yeah, actually attack. Team 2 are yellow, guys. See here. Team 2. And this is round 1. Alright, cool. So you see, so sometimes them not so hard, guys. I'm hoping everyone just take them time, read them thing and get them 40 with a 40. In which round did Team 1 score double the points they scored in round 3? In which
Sir, can
round
you
did Team 1 score double the points? I'm going to go back up, man. In which round did Team 1 score double the points they scored in round 3? In round 2, did Team 1 score double the points that they scored in round 3? Remember, Team 1.
Sir, my answer is round 1.
Round 1. Round
Yes, sir.
fight. Everybody agree with that? I we don't understand the question.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense, right? Because
I
look,
agree, sir.
this one would have been 5, and then this one is what? 10. So this double, right? So they didn't ask for 10, they said which round. So yeah, round 1. So they just want the round. Alright. 37. Which statement is true based on the graph? So we have to go back up to the graph. It says more points were awarded in round 1 than any other round. So you got to decide if that's true. More points were awarded in round 1 than any other round. So decide if that is true or false.
Sir, that is false.
Alright, so we move on to the next one then. That's not true. Alright, so we could cross them off one as we go along. All right, the next one says Team 3 had the most points at the end of round 2. Team 3 had the most points at the end of round 2.
No, sir, because all the teams tied, so no.
All right, so we can cross off the one there because round 2 that's right. In round 2, everything ties. So it's between C and D. All right, it said Team 2 scored the highest score of points in each round. Team 2 scored the highest number of points in each round.
No, sir, they
That is false, sir.
dominated. No, sir, they dominated in round 1. There was an equal tie in round 2, and they dominated in round 3. And team 4 dominated in round 4, so I would say no.
That means it has to be D then.
Yes, sir.
And D says all teams scored their lowest number of points in round 3. All teams scored their lowest number. Yes, round 3. See this are the smallest one in everything, right? Notice,
Sir,
so that would have been D as we suspect. Alright, so we have 2 more 38, 39, 40. That's 3 more rather. It says for item 38, there is a question followed by 2 statements. Read the statements carefully to see if they provide enough information to help you answer the question. How many persons can fit inside a 3-section stadium? That's the question that we want to find out, right? Statement 1, the yellow section has 300 seats. 2, the red section has 3 times the number of seats than the blue section has.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, understand because I did something like this in class today. The answer is D because in statement they did not mention how many seats the red section has. It just says 3 times the number of seats that the blue section has.
All right. So we don't know the stadium capacity, right?
Yes, sir.
I think if we know that, we could figure it out. If we know say 600, we could say, all right, 300, this take up 300 since this is 3 times it and so on. Then we could have decide. But we don't know the number of persons that can actually hold in the stadium to begin with. So it's kind of hard to determine. You only said the yellow section has 300 seats. That's all we know. We don't know anything else, right? And then so the
Yes.
red section has 3 times the number of seats as the blue section. But we don't know how much the blue section have, and we don't know how much it can actually hold. Because they say how many persons can fit in 3 sections. Alright, so that would have been both statements together are not enough. So that's B. Five,
sir, I don't think it's B.
what B say?
It's
Both
I think
statements
it's
together
B.
are not. Oh,
Sir, it's D.
D as in dog. Yeah, I thought I said not enough. Both statements together are not enough. Yeah, D. Alright, 5 toy cars of different color are lined up next to each other. Use them and description about them to answer item 39. The blue car is first in line. The green car is next to the purple car but not beside the red car. The green car is between the purple car and the orange car. And the blue car is next to the orange car. Which car is in the middle?
So my answer is A, green.
Prove it.
Sir, so first it says the blue car is first in line. So blue car will be this one. No, not that one right here.
This? This one?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
The next it said the green car is next to the blue car but not beside the red car. You cannot see from right there because you don't know which car is from where to where. The green car is between the purple car and the orange car. No, the last one said the blue car is next to the orange car. So that means that the orange is next to the blue. So the orange is the second car. Then above it, it said the green car is between the purple car and the orange car. So that means the green car would be the third and the purple would be the fourth. Then it said the green car is next to the purple car, but not beside the red car. So red car would be the last car. So my answer is green.
All right.
A.
All right. So she says green. Do we agree, guys? Anybody get a different answer? Or,
Yes,
or
yes.
everybody agree? All right. We can see if everything go. The blue car is first in line. That is true. The green car is next to the purple. So green and purple next to each other, right? But but not beside the red car. So the green car, not there beside the red. All right, cool. The green car is between the purple and orange. So see there, between the purple and orange. Hold on. Oh yeah, purple and orange. So green, and then they say the blue car is next to the orange. So that would have been this. All right, cool. So green is in the middle. Good job.
Sir, can I do the last one?
Yeah, man. Make everyone look at it first and then you can do. So everyone, what's up, you guys? And then actually we walk us through it. Ready, Attila?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
So, sir, the answer is 12 because um wait a second, sir.
All right. Alright, give her a second, guys.
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Alright, go ahead.
So, sir, it says that the hexagon equals 2. So when I look at the question, I said 2 times what? And then I look at the triangle, and then I said 2 times 6 give you 12. And then it equals the square. So like how the hexagon equals 2, and I added 2 3 times, and then I added 6, and then I got 12.
Okay. So you said the blue one is 12?
Yes.
Alright. Let me see if everyone agree. So guys, you said this is 12. The value of this is 12. So you're saying this is 6, right? Based on the fact that this is 2. So 2 times 6. Alright, so 2. Oh, we can write in that orange too. Have to change the color. Alright, so this are 2. 2 times 6 are 12. That makes sense. 2 plus 2, that's 4. Plus 2, 6. Plus 6, 12. I agree. Very good. So guys, what should we do? Stop that video here? And I'll just make it be one long video.
I don't know, sir. You
Guys,
can
you have
pick.
to talk fast. You don't want it to be separate or continue the video? We'll do our next paper, you know. But you guys want to continue the paper on the
Sir, make
next
it be
start
separate.
record on the next one or something.
Sir, make it be separate.
Alright. So let me do
Sir,
that.
Separate.
Alright.
sir.
Yeah, man.
Is
Go ahead.
class
Yeah.
Mila is on, right? Mila, come now. Open reach.
Yes, sir.
Okay, alright. So let me stop the video now.